Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm bringing you another video today. As you can tell, if you can already, this is the Prism Keepall and this is the Christopher backpack. I reviewed this bag in the last video that I had, so you can probably go through my videos, or I'll leave a link down below and you can check it out. Since I already showed you like a close-up and went into detail with that. So this is the Christopher backpack. It is absolutely brand new, never used. You can see that the wrap is still on it. It looks kind of tacky, but haven't taken that off yet. So this is as new as it can get. So this one right here was released not too long ago. So because the Prism was such a big hit, they released a second collection with the Christopher backpack, and then they released the Voga, the push-up Voga, and then they also did the belt. And I think I don't need all of them, but I think the two big pieces are the best looking, in my opinion. So this right here, here's a close-up. Here's the bag. Might be a little hard to tell because it reflects and the color changes. So it's nice because it has this white hardware on this bag. There is a white strap right here, closing and opening. And hold on, I pre-stuffed this bag before I did this video, so I take everything out. With certain bags, you have to stuff them if you're not using it because it holds its shape and it doesn't collapse. And especially with this bag, as I've mentioned in the other videos, with the Keepall, it bubbles. So I already see some bubbling on this, and this has not been used. So as you can tell, let's see, close up right here. There's bubbling, or always around like the corners and the hinges and stuff like that. So right here, as you can tell, it might be hard to tell, but it's right along this. Oh, you might be able to see it right here, and it's right here. So you can see that throughout the bag. Even on the back of the bag, you see it right here. And there's one right. Oh, this one's pretty bad. So the thing is, I know LV can repair it because of the material. There's no way for them to fix it. So I need to go into the store soon and ask them and see what they can do about it. And right here, it comes with the booklet. So it is the Fall Winter 2019 collection. And there's like an instruction booklet. It tells you how to take care of the bag and what material it is and stuff like that. So it's a pretty big backpack. As you can tell, I'm standing up. And here's the inside. It's a pretty big space. But like I mentioned, you probably don't want to use this too often because there's no bubbling on the straps yet. But I feel like once you put tension and you start, wearing it, it's gonna start bubbling and wrinkling right here. Here's a close-up of. Ooh. So this bag is really big. I didn't realize how hard it might be. So here's the Louis Vuitton. It is made in France. And the date code is, there's a little pouch. I don't know if you can tell, this pouch right here. The date code is right there, where my index finger is pointing. It's hard to see it, take it out, so I'm not gonna do that. The Christopher backpack comes with these two big side pockets. One right here. They're pretty big. Honestly, I think you could even fit like an iPad mini in there if you really wanted to. And for the bag. So with this Christopher backpack specifically, I probably would not overstuff it just because of the material. I would take really good care of it. I would just pack very light. If you're gonna use this, I'll pack very light with this. They don't sell these bags in the store anymore, but if you're thinking about, like the resale market, and you're thinking between the Christopher or the Prism, I think it's preference, but me personally, I probably would do the Keepall, just because honestly, it looks so much better. It looks more sturdy and looks more solid, in my opinion. For the Christopher backpack, I think there's just so many pieces to it. Like, you have this flap, you have these side pockets, and then, I feel like there's just more working pieces on this bag. So the chances of it bubbling, it's a lot bigger. Because there's just corners, crevices everywhere. So this bag, over time with use, I feel like the Christopher will definitely bubble 50 times faster than the Keepall. The Keepall, you just have to worry about where like the handles are, like right here. That's where the tension is forming. So that's where the bubbling is beginning, right here. And besides that, that's really like the major bubbling I see on the cue ball, besides like a little bit on the corners. But that's about it for that bag. But this bag, honestly, I see it almost at every side. On every side of this backpack, there's some bubbling. And I don't know why. And it's brand new and never used. So I don't know why it would do that. But if in terms of, you know, like depends what you're trying to do. This backpack might be too big for a carry-on if you're thinking about traveling, because this bag I would not want to shove into the overhead compartment, nor would I want to put under my seat because somebody's going to damage it. The keep ball, I think it's a little bit easier, like I said, because there's just so many working pieces. If something gets tugged and you accidentally rip your prism, I don't know what to tell you, because I don't think LV is doing repairs for these at the moment. I think they will refund you if they can't repair it, but I'm not sure. But this Christopher Prism is made of the PVC material. It is a plastic, so you have to use extra care with it. It's not something you can just throw around and stuff because it will scratch, it will get damaged. But besides that, it's a really solid looking bag. I think Virgil did a really good job with these prism pieces. I just think it could have been executed a little bit better regarding the material wise, like the bubbling. Like, I know it's inevitable, and I know it's plastic and it's PVC and it's gonna bubble, but I think for the price you're paying for these bags, I think they could have done a better job, to be honest. So, and there is a top handle to this bag, and it says Louis Vuitton Paris, so you can hold the bag. And to be honest, I didn't even attach the back straps yet, but I'll show you for reference what it looks like as if you were to wear this back. Sorry, guys. So it's a big backpack. It's not small at all. This is a big piece that'll stand out. So depending on where you're going, it's gonna get a lot of looks. It just stands out, you know. And then here is the key ball, prism key ball.